from金丰Machine. It's my great pleasure to be here and to share our pervasive application of intelligent forming system, especially for those stampers who are looking for a solution to get their production digitalized. So this is my outline for today. I will start with sharing why we started to get digitalized, and then I will introduce a framework of iForming system, how it works, and why is it useful confronting COVID-19. So in the past 72 years, we've been delivering high-end technology to our customers. But as the technology for dry provision is getting mature, we started to wonder what our next step is. And it is at this intersection that we started to map out a real solution with iForming system. So this is a story from one of our customers. They are an international company who has 122,000 employees. Before COVID-19, they had great demand in cross-plant communication and travels. But after COVID-19, they were asked to strictly adhere to the policy of remote management. But how to achieve remote management? First, you need to have the connection to your equipment, and then you need to be capable of automating your production, your efficiency management, and your supervision over manpower. So here we see the needs for smart manufacturing. So let's visualize a much smarter style of manufacturing, and let's begin with a circle on the top. What is this? This is smart machine. And why is it smart? Because it's equipped with sensors and gauges that enables it to collect information. And after we collect information, let's move down to the circle in green, which stands for 3M. 3M is a network consists of man, machine, and management, and it will process the information that was collected from the smart machine. So here we can see that the smart machine and the 3M network already forms a production cycle. But still, we cannot forget about the circle on the right, which stands for intelligent surface. Now, whenever your smart machine is down or whenever your network is broken, intelligent surface is always here to provide you a timely support. So here we can see that the 2A in blue, the 3M in green, and the 4S in red together forms an ecosystem that brings us to 5C, which is the path to digitalization. So now, how much金丰has done so far for smart manufacturing? The idea of iForming could be easy to understand, but how do we make it happen? Let's now look at this slide, which is now divided into 3 parts, and let's begin with the upper left one. Here we can see that the application of IPCAM actually enables us to inspect your factory on-site without even being on-site. Plus, the ERP-MS system could be updated accordingly to show the machine process and the machine progress. Then let's move down to the square in blue. This shows that as we've already installed sensors and gauges onto the machine, this enables us to have a real-time control over your production. And in the long term, this serves like a health check for your equipment, where you get a sense of early signs of your machine issues, and then you can arrange the maintenance outside of production peak. But this system is not just about data. Decision makers, they need to learn the information from within, and they also need to improve their production schedule. And now this is made even easier, as all the information collected for the iForming system basically is now dedicated directly to the statistical analysis. So here we can see that everybody has their own ERP system, but it's just about flow control. How do we know the work has been completed? No one knows. So here we can see that iForming system, the smart system provided by金丰, actually creates a platform where you get to find the mutual feedback from the on-site workers and the managers. So you get to find the work process and the work progress all together on a board system. So now the platform is all set for you, but what if you're not in your office? Just take out your smartphone. WhatsApp will answer all of your questions about your factories. So now, how iForming could be applied in stamping field. This is one of our sales examples with iForming system. Aurora, they have been manufacturing office furniture for more than 50 years, and they also possess several sets of our mechanical presses, which were operated under automated mode. but to stay competitive, they still need to optimize their system. So here we can see that the idea of adopting iForming system basically is combining the conventional automation with the edge computing system, and together we display all the information collected onto a board system. And this actually facilitates the review of resource allocation for our customers. So the rest for them is all about making their own decision. So this slide shows that Qingfeng is also delivering our maintenance service through a digitalized way. On the left part of this slide, we can see that each of our presses are provided with its own individual QR code. And this connects the machine users to the information, including specification and maintenance record. And on the right part, we can see that Qingfeng has already released a dedicated app, which is meant to enhance the user's experience. And this actually helps us to provide a more timely and effective after-sales support for our customer. So with so much I've covered today, I believe this is an exciting moment for those people who are from the small and medium-sized enterprises. Why choose Qingfeng? Because it's easy to use. From below framework, we can see that iForming basically provides all the IT supports from the software to hardware. All you need to do is connect to this system. Plus, the investment is small. As we're the machine supplier, our focus is not on providing a system. What we want to do is to make the solution attractive and then return the sales back to our equipment. So we've already made this system affordable for those SMEs. As a result, smart manufacturing is not abstract anymore. As we can see, this is an investment for future. And all we need to do is bring it home and get connected. Smart manufacturing is no longer a dream for you. So if the picture that I've just painted for you still doesn't seem realistic, let's now look at this product content, which outlines the service availability. From below table, let's start with the gray part. This shows the economic solution, which is suitable for everybody. But if this is still not enough, let's move to the blue part. This shows that Qingfeng is listening. If you have more demand on this system, just let us know. We can further customize and develop this system for you. Plus, we've already got our presses prepared. This map shows all the locations on this presses where it's ready to get connected to the iForming system. So now, why is iForming useful confronting COVID-19? Because this system is intelligent enough to bring your production management online, and that enables you to have remote control with smart manufacturing. And this is the prototype of intelligent plant in future. As we can see that this is not only useful in front of COVID-19, but it's also useful for future need of smart manufacturing. And we believe that for future need of smart manufacturing. And we believe that with iForming system, production management should be less trivial and more meaningful. So this is the iForming system I've been introducing to everybody today. This is actually our showroom, and we've been developing with this system for several years. And similarly, we believe that it can create additional value for our customer, and we can do this for our customer. So how about let's just start with this solution provided by Qingfeng. We've been providing stamping solution for the past 72 years, and we've been sold our presses to more than 50 countries worldwide. We will continue to grow to answer the need of the present and the future for the benefit of all of our customers. Thank you for your attention.